Penske Logistics Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get third-party logistics wrong. They think it's just shipping. The surprising truth about Penske Logistics is how it integrates supply chain management, warehousing, and transportation solutions, and you won't believe the level of control it provides over operations. Here's how it works. Penske offers end-to-end logistics solutions, including freight management, dedicated fleet services, and inventory control. Businesses can monitor shipments, optimize routes, and manage warehousing through a centralized system. For example, an e-commerce company can outsource its warehouse and shipping needs to Penske, reducing overhead while maintaining fast and reliable delivery. Most people get this wrong. They assume logistics is passive, but Penske's technology-driven approach ensures efficiency and visibility. Additional features include customized reporting, safety, and compliance support, and scalable solutions to accommodate business growth. Integration with ERP systems further streamlines operations. However, there are considerations. Pricing can be higher for specialized services, and companies must align with Penske scheduling and operational requirements. Most people assume all logistics challenges are handled automatically. It's not, but Penske provides tools and expertise to manage them efficiently. In conclusion, Penske Logistics is ideal for businesses seeking comprehensive, reliable, and tech-enabled supply chain solutions. It improves efficiency, reduces risk, and supports growth. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of logistics and supply chain services.